បាទបងប្អូនជាទីមេត្រីនេះជា iPhone 7 Plus ហើយវាហើមបាទ Yes, this is the iPhone 7 Plus. It's battery swelling, but then now we lose the screw, bottom screw. And now you see me, you see my work, and you can replace it by yourself. Yes, when we unscrew the bottom screw ready, we use the thumbnail to open like this, and then slowly turn right. Yes, the iPhone 7 turn right because the LCD connector on the right of main board. This is not original. This, so we remove the screw. Yes. This is the service sticker. They stick for warranty. And under the warranty card there is one screw, so that when we unscrew we need to tear out. When the warranty tear out, it will expire of warranty. Just now we no need disconnect the cable of display and the cable of front camera. Just we gently disconnect the battery connector. I always say the battery connector don't use the metal, so that you use the plastic or fingernail. Yes, like this. And after that we remove the battery. I will try to remove by hand. Yes, no. Yes and no. So that we can use this battery rather soft. Yes, okay. We can continue to use it. You know, we have the bigger strength, the bigger power than the original. Yes, you see the strength, where the strength, this is 3400 milliampere, and this is 2900 milliampere. Yes, so this is the bigger and rather expensive than, yes, it's still opposite. So that we remove, we no need to test because it is I know it is a good quality. Yes, now we connect the battery connector first, and we make best condition for connector, and then we put the battery, we install the battery. When we install the battery, we make a space for round. Yes, when the battery hot on charging, the battery will increase the body. So when it has a hole for making increase, it is safe for the user, safe for phone. Now I connect charger. Then it charge. I look on my charger. It show 1.7 ampere. Yeah, it means 1,700 milliampere charge. Yeah, we have two options of ampere. One is ampere of power strength and other is ampere hour. Bạn môi chi ampere máu môi tiết chi ampere bột. Nó không chung cầm lăng sát cứ chi cầm lăng ampere bột. Và một con này dân kết tới chiều máu được kia với bà hai này. Và chẳng dân mua sao mà mình yeah, very tight screw. Yeah. Yes, now reading. And now we install the LCD and tie the screw. Just disconnect and then we tie the screw one by one. Bằng con riêng đồខ្លួនឯងបានណាមើលឃើញនឹងដូរមិនស្រួលទេតាំងពីរបៀបយកថ្មចេញអីចឹងយើងស្រួលបាទអត់ពិបាកទេរបៀបបិទកៅមិញកៅគេស្អិតចឹងខ្ញុំដាក់ទាំងកៅគេទៅវិញព្រោះយើងបកទៅវាអត់មានកៅមកជាប់ទាំងនេះទេកៅបើមានកៅមកជាប់ទាំងនេះមានន័យថាវាបន្ថយស្អិតបាទហើយអានេះ